Are you currently having problems with your DStv app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix this problem. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my DStv app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So I went into my settings app and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down and then you're going to click where it says General. So click on General, and as you can see it should now take you to this page, which is great. Scroll down in here and then you're going to click on Storage, and as you can see it should now take you to this page. And by the way, for some of you that are using an Android, it's going to be very similar step-by-step guide as well for you. What you're going to do also is to go into settings on your Android phone, and then you're going to in there find storage. So find storage, and in here we're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. So click on the search symbol, search for DStv in here, click on the app in here as you can see, and then in here it's going to be the most important step. Now you're going to firstly click on offload app, and then once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds, click on the blue button here again. So basically do this and then wait for the app to completely update to the latest version. I did this myself, and after I went back into the app, after I was done updating to the latest version, I went back and now it was working for me. So hopefully this will be able to be fixed for you as well.